Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to make your own custom WhatsApp sticker using the sticker.ly app in just a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, download the sticker.ly app from the Play Store, or if you have Android, download it from Play Store. If you have an iPhone, simply download it from App Store. After downloading it, simply sign into your account. To create a new sticker, simply hit the plus icon at the below, as you can see. After that, now tap add sticker to begin designing. As you can see, there are the many sticker you can create. Now you can choose from your gallery. You can use a regular or animated sticker if you want to make. Suppose I want to make a regular. You can choose it from your gallery, and you can simply remove the background of this photo from AI cut and simply hit next. Then you can, as you can see, you can create now sticker. But to make customized or animated sticker, simply click on animated, and you can simply click one video of yours to make a stickers. Now simply add text and save it. Simply save it. After saving it, you will see the option called add to WhatsApp. Simply click on add to WhatsApp, and you will see the option downloading. After a few seconds, the sticker will be added to the WhatsApp, and just like that, your custom stickers are ready to use. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and see you in the next time.